Bunch of alley cats.
Someone killed. That's not
Cat show. That is good. Hey everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales of. We hope you're doing really well. If you're new here on YouTube and on my blog, wildtalesof.com, I share about family travel and outdoor adventure. So we've made our way downtown and we're meeting Slade to get some dinner and then walk along Seattle's waterfront. So we came down on the waterfront to get some dinner, and we also want to check out a really neat art installation that is happening on Pier 62.
Hey.
So Pier 62 is right here. We just went down there to check it out, but we're definitely going to come back in the dark. There's these neat light art installations that are down on the pier. Georgia. And actually, while we were down there, there was a group there was a group on the lower pier, and a woman actually jumped into the water, which was pretty crazy. Oh! Hi! What's this? Oh! Hello! Are we gonna beat him, Georgia? Come on, hurry! The elevator gonna come down.
Oh, way down over here, babe.
Oh,
what are you
really?
talking about? Yeah, he's gonna have to run all the way out here.
That was fun.
I won!
You won. Was it good? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for joining us today on our little downtown waterfront adventure. We think we're gonna call it a night, so thanks again for joining us. We really appreciate all your support, all the likes, and we love having you subscribe so that you can follow along on more adventures. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave, wild adventures, and we'll see you next time.